Greetings. I'm glad you are here. Before I tell you how I help leaders in doubling their income, let me tell you a true story, my own. Because years ago, I was standing exactly where you might be standing today. Around 2012, from outside, my career looked good. I was traveling the world for training work. Norway, Greenland, Singapore, Bangalore, Goa, city after city. But inside, something was wrong. I was losing my momentum. Opportunities were coming to me and I couldn't see them. New things were there to learn and I couldn't take them in. Everyone around me seemed to be moving ahead and I was standing still. Same position, same mindset, same income, month after month. My performance slipped. First, my boss noticed, then my team, and finally, I had to admit myself. Small things irritated me. I felt anxious, stressed, so much effort, still stuck at the same place. बहुत मेहनत, पर वहीं के वहीं. Maybe you know this feeling. One day, my mentor saw the frustration on my face and said one line that changed my life. Sanjay, your inner world and your outer world are not aligned. Then he explained it. Imagine driving on a highway in a car that was never tuned. The engine is weak, the tires are low, the windshield is foggy. How will that drive go? You will struggle the whole way. You might never reach your destination. The car was me. The windshield, my mind was so foggy that I couldn't see the opportunity in front of me. My engine, my nervous system was so overheating that every small thing set me off. Every bit of criticism left me stressed for hours. The problem was never my effort. My car was never simply tuned. That lesson became my life's work. Over the years, I turned it into a system. I now call it Inner Money Machine. And today, I use it successfully with my clients across the world. It works in simple 2 steps. Let me show you using the same car. First, we tune your car using the time-tested, science-backed tools. We cool the engine, we regulate your nervous system so you respond instead of react. We reprogram the old beliefs that quietly hold your income back. We upgrade your identity so you carry yourself like the person who already earns more. And we switch on your inner radar, the RAS in your brain, so you start noticing the opportunities you were missing all along. Then, once the car is tuned, we accelerate. Because even a perfect car goes nowhere until you pedal the car. So we take 3 clear, powerful actions, totally in sync with your inner state, that turn clarity into real income. Tune the car first, then drive it. This is the whole method. And this is not motivation or magic. Your brain is the most powerful tool you own. You don't add anything new. We simply tune it and point at your goal. Here is how in 100 days. In the first 10 days, 6 live one-on-one session. Build and tune your machine. Then for 90 days, I hold your hand because learning it in 10 days is easy. Doing it consistently alone is where most people slip. We tune your inner world and take real action together with a simple weekly connect. So you actually see yourself moving ahead. This is not a strategy program. You already have the strategy. This is about bringing your inner world and the outer world together in sync towards one goal, your 2x. So this is for you. If you are senior professional, a founder or a CEO and earning well, but you know you are capable of much more and you are open to real inner work, not just next tactic. Remember, It is not about chasing the goal. It is about becoming the person 2x flows to. And your first step is simply a conversation. Book your private 30 minutes Zoom call with me. It is not a sales call. We will look at where you are, what is holding your income back, and whether my 100-day program is the right fit for you. अगर fit हुआ, बहुत बढ़िया. And if not, you will still leave with some clarity, some direction in your business. Seats are limited because I work with each person one-on-one. So if this is your moment, book your call. I look forward meeting with you. Thank you.